Do you have a 1965 Washington quarter? Hold on to it, because this ordinary-looking coin could shock you. Some special 1965 quarters are so rare that collectors are willing to pay not just thousands, but even tens of thousands of dollars. In today's video, we're going to uncover those secrets that could turn your coin into a real treasure. Hello friends! Welcome back to the channel, where we talk about rare and valuable U.S. coins. Today, we're focusing on the 1965 Washington quarter, a coin that looks common, but certain versions of it can completely change your fortune. The year 1965 was revolutionary in U.S. coinage history. Before that, quarters were struck in 90% silver. But when the country began running short of silver, the government decided to switch to a copper-nickel composition. That's why 1965 was the very first year without silver quarters. However, during this transition, some coins were accidentally struck on leftover silver planchets. And those transitional errors are worth a fortune today. Let's first talk about the regular 1965 quarter. These are still found in huge numbers, and in circulated condition they're only worth face value just 25 cents. But if you find one in mint state, uncirculated condition, it can sell for $20 to $50 or more. Now let's move to the error coins. The rarest 1965 quarters are the transitional errors struck on 90% silver planchets. These mistakes can sell at auction for anywhere from $7,000 to $12,000 depending on condition. Another type is the double die error. On these coins, the lettering or design looks doubled. Collectors love these, and their value can range from hundreds to several $1,000s. Off-center strikes are also very popular among collectors. If the coin wasn't seated properly in the press and the design is off to one side, it becomes unique. These off-center errors can easily sell for $500 to $2,000. There are also wrong planchet errors. For example, if a 1965 quarter was accidentally struck on a dime or half-dollar planchet, it becomes an extreme rarity and can bring very high prices. The amazing part is that many of these valuable coins have been discovered in everyday pocket change or coin jars. Once they get submitted for grading and certification, their true value surprises the owners. So, how do you know if your 1965 quarter is special? First, examine the coin under good light. If it feels heavier or lighter than normal, weigh it. A silver transitional error weighs about 6.25 grams, compared to 5.67 grams for a standard copper-nickel quarter. Check the lettering carefully. Doubled letters or unusual strikes could mean you have a rare error. And if your coin looks uncirculated, definitely consider sending it for grading. A certified high-grade coin can be worth much more than you think. So friends, today we saw how the 1965 Washington quarter may look like an ordinary coin, but with the right error or in the right condition, it can sell for thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Next time you come across a 1965 quarter, don't ignore it. It could be a hidden treasure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing coin stories.